Move-in ready 3-bedroom 3-bath home on a country acre surrounded by large farms. Enjoy feeling like you are part of a farm without any of the work. This well-maintained split level is under 10 minutes to Yoker Dam, Lake Gaston, Microsoft and Boynton. Go fishing at the Steel Bridge boat ramp on Lake Gaston one day and at North Bend on Kerr Lake the next. Hardwood in living room, dining room and 2 of the bedrooms. Recent upgrades include stainless steel appliances, gas furnace, resurfaced asphalt driveway, gutters and gutter guards and saltwater pool equipment. The family room has a granite hearth fireplace, granite counters in the kitchen and a pull-out pantry and granite cabinets in the sunroom. Relax in the brick-floored sunroom and overlook the countryside and your in-ground pool. 1-car garage with workbenches and extra garage space for your yard tools and a carport to store your boat. 2 of the 3 bedrooms have ensuite baths. You don't need to do a thing here but move in and start enjoying the country life in Southside Virginia.